Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan caramel, full guide. Start by assembling ingredients and equipment. Measure milk, cream, eggs, and sugar precisely, and preheat oven to 325 degrees F. Make a smooth custard by warming dairy, tempering eggs slowly to avoid curdling, and straining the mixture for a silky texture. Butter ramekins lightly, pour custard over hot caramel, and prepare a water bath to ensure even baking and a tender set. In this video, I will explain how to make flan caramel, full guide. Heat sugar slowly, watching for an amber hue, and remove from heat just before it darkens too much. Work confidently as caramel cools fast. Pour into ramekins and tilt to coat each base evenly, creating a glossy layer that will become sauce after baking. Let the caramel set briefly and prepare your custard mixture to pour over it for a perfect finish. In this video, I will explain how to make flan caramel, full guide. Quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe and like to help the channel grow, and consider a practical treat like high-quality socks I love with a lifetime warranty for after long kitchen sessions. You'll find the link and other deals in the description below, and your support means a lot. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make flan caramel, full guide. Place filled ramekins in a deep pan and add hot water halfway up the sides to create a gentle water bath. This controls temperature and prevents cracks. Bake until the custard holds with a slight wobble in the center, then remove carefully and cool to room temperature. Refrigerate for several hours or overnight so flavors meld and texture firms for a clean, unmold, and glossy caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.